Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring this 1958 Jaguar XK150 SE Fixed Head Coupe. The XK series has a long history. After a lot of success with the XK120, Jaguar had a lot of improvements to make if they wanted to keep reeling in buyers. In 1954, the XK140 saw a lot of these changes. They moved the engine, the firewall, and the dash all forward by 3 inches so that there would be a bigger interior cabin space. Mechanically, it received effortless rack and pinion steering, and a better ride provided by shock-absorbing dampening. In 1958, the XK series appeared nearly the same. Some minor changes included a larger bumper with overriders and a one-piece grille with trim accents that ran over the hood through the deck. Special Jaguar emblems were affixed. The trunk lid emblem made mention of its winning heritage at Le Mans from 1951 to 1953, 1955, and 1956 and 57. It also received a more sculpted shape. The belt line was higher, the hood was wider, and the windshield was now one piece for better visibility. On the fixed head coupes like ours here, the windshield was actually moved forward 4 inches, creating a more beautiful roofline and better interior space. The XK150 became one of Jaguar's best sellers, with over 4,445 units sold from 1957 through 1961. So what do you say? You want to take it for a ride? Hey guys, super quick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.